So we did the hood yesterday. We're now gonna just quickly bleed the brakes and swap it out for some .4 fluid because the boiling point is higher and it's just better. So that's the plan right now. I'm hearing a really bad clunk on the left side of the vehicle, so I'm gonna try to figure that out before we go on the track and break something. So yeah, I'm gonna jack the car up and quickly bleed these brakes, and let's see how it drives after. Might have found my issue. Hey guys, so it actually ended up being my top hat was loose. The sound you're watching here, I was trying to figure out what it was, but nothing was loose in the wheel well whatsoever. It was the top hat in the engine bay. Under that little rubber piece, I just tightened that guy up and the clicking stopped. So if you have the same sound, definitely check that out. So I'm on my way to the track now.
Minutes, 20.00 seconds. Minute, 8.